Good morning, babies. I hope you all are doing good. Yes? Okay, so, babies, today we are doing English, and in English, we are going to learn two new capital cursive letters, and they are U and V. U and V. So, we are going to learn how to make them. Okay, so please pay attention, everyone. Okay, so we have got these four lines. We will make them in upper three lines. Alright. So see how I make it. Learn it step by step. So what is the first step? Keep your pencil on the second line and make a curved line like this. Okay. Then one more time I am doing it. Make a curved line, and now from here you have to make a small curve, and then you have to touch the third blue line like this. Okay, one more time. Make it like this. Touch the third line, and from here you have to take this line little more on the blue line. Okay, and after doing this, you have to take this line to the red line. Go up, and from here you have to come down to the blue line like this, and from here you have to make a curve this way. Okay, so I am going to make it one more time for you. Please pay attention. Okay, now keep your pencil here on the second line. Go up, touch the red line. Now come back with the curved line. Come back to the blue line, third blue line, and then take a round. Go up, touch the red line. Come back to the blue line, and from here this point we will make a small curve like this. So this is letter U. One more time I am going to make it for you. So please pay attention. Okay. Keep your pencil on the second line. Go up, make a curved line. Come back to the third line. From here make a small curve. Go up to the red line. Come back to the blue line and make a small curve. So this is letter U. Which letter is this? This is letter U. Okay. So what is the sound of letter U? A. A as in umbrella. Okay. So let's see. Now we'll try letter V. Okay. So please pay attention how I am making it. Again we'll keep the pencil on the second line here. Now we'll make a slant line up like this to the red line, and now from here you have to come with a slant line here to the blue line like this. Do you understand? And one more time I am making it. So from here go up, come down. Okay. Now from here when you reach here you have to take the line to the red line again this way. Alright. Now one more time I am making it. Keep your pencil here on the second line. Go up to the red line with the slant line. Come back with the slant line. Now go up again. Now from here you have to make a small loop. Okay. So from this point take a turn and make a small circle, half circle like this. Okay. Now you have to take this line little forward like this. So this is your letter V. Which letter is this? V. Now one more time I am going to make it. Keep your pencil here. Go up. Come back to the blue line. Go up again. Make a small loop like this. This is letter V. Okay. One more time I am going to make. Keep your pencil here with the slant line. Go up. Come back. Go up again. Make a small loop, and this is your letter V. Okay. So what is the sound of letter V? Sound of letter V is V. What is the sound? V. V is the sound. V as in whale. Okay. Vulture. Now look here. So this work you have to do it it in your English copy. Which copy you are going to do it? In your English printed copies. Sorry, in your English copy like this. Okay. Now, but before doing this, what you are going to do? You are going to revise the two letters which we have done in the last class. That is letter S and letter T. And what are their sound? S and T. S and T. Okay. So, and with this, from your book Cursive for Junior, Cursive for Junior, this is your Cursive for Junior book. We'll open page number 23. This is page number 23. Okay, so what we have to do here, you have to practice join two letters. You have to first you have to trace the dotted letters like here. Okay, so how you are going to do this? See, first you write today's date and day, classwork, and then you have to trace the dotted letters this way. Okay, I'm going to make like this. Okay, so the full page, babies, you have to do the full page. Okay, now let's revise all the cursive letters one more time with their phonic sounds. Okay, so let's revise. A, what is the sound? A. So let's read them with the phonic sounds only. Okay, A, apple. B, ball. C has two sounds, K and S, and you know why do we call it S and why do we call it K? Okay, S and K. D as in duck. Eh as in egg. F as in fish. G, G. G has two sounds, G and J. J is the soft sound, G is the hard sound. H, H. E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. See, this letter has U sound also with this. So whenever we'll write anything with starting with Q, or if anywhere we have Q, U will come itself. Okay, U and Q are the best friends. Okay, that we'll talk later also. Okay, this is letter Q. Qu. R, rabbit. S, sun. T, tree. So these two letters we did last time. I hope you all know how to make it. Yes? Okay, so now which two letters we have done today? U and V. What are their sounds? A, an, umbrella. V, van, vulture. Okay, so these two letters we have done today, and I hope you are going to do the practice. Okay, babies, do lot of practice of phonic sounds also. So babies, with this, have a nice day.